This healthy lentil curry recipe is extremely easy to make. It's ridiculously tasty and packs less than 300 calories per serving. With just a few simple ingredients, you can create a flavourful and satisfying dish that's suitable for vegetarians, vegans, or simply for folks looking to eat less meat.
Hey, I'm nutritionist Scott Baptie, and in this episode from my high protein kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegetarian lentil curry. Now, if you're just about to switch off because you heard the word vegetarian, stick with me because you can easily add some chicken to this recipe and that will turn it into more of a dansak style curry. Now, this recipe works as the complete meal if you pair it with some rice and some other vegetables, but it also works really well as an accompaniment to other curries as well. Right, ready to cook it? Let's do it.
Right, first things first is to peel and slice 2 white onions. The second thing to do is be a legend and hit that like button. And then after you've clicked like, you just need to pop those onions into a large pan with some oil and fry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once those onions are smelling delicious, add 10 grams of garlic and 10 grams of ginger. I use an all-in-one paste because it's super handy and I'll put a link to it in the description. Fry that garlic and ginger for about 30 seconds and then add your chili powder, your garam masala and your cumin and fry that for again 30 seconds to a minute or so. Once those spices have cooked off, add 500 ml of vegetable stock and 200 grams of red lentils. Make sure you have washed and rinsed these first before adding them to the curry. Once the lentils are in the pot, add 400 grams, that is 1 can of chopped tomatoes along with 1 can of light coconut milk. Mix all of that through and then reduce the heat to low, pop the lid on it, and you want to simmer for about 30 minutes. Make sure you stir it every now and again just in case the lentils stick to the bottom. But after 30 minutes, you're going to have a delicious pot of vegetarian lentil curry. How good does that look? Now, this recipe works well as a complete meal if you serve it with rice and other vegetables, but it's also a great side accompaniment to other curries too.
So that is a delicious plate of vegetarian lentil curry. I'm off to go and eat this. Before you leave, it would be great if you could hit that like button. It just means you're more likely to see these videos in the future and I really appreciate it. And if you're a new viewer, make sure you subscribe because this is where I post my high protein recipes before anywhere else. So if you want to see more recipe videos, make sure you subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I'll speak to you later.